In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in your GMC Acadia key fob. There are two versions that we will be dealing with today. They were both pictured in the thumbnail and you can see them right here. They look slightly different, but they are actually the same device, just different layouts. So it doesn't matter which one of these you have. You can follow this video. I'm just going to be opening one of them, but the process is exactly the same for both. And they both take the same battery. So we'll get the whole process done for you in under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check out that first link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can check the price of this particular battery and you can just go right over there and buy it, have it shipped right to your door. And that'll be the correct battery that you need for both of these devices. The first step here is just to find on the bottom of your device, right next to where the keyring attaches. You can see there is a little indentation. It's a very small little indentation along the seam here. Just go ahead and take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in, just gently wiggle it in, and it'll kind of just pop right in there. And this one opens up quite easily. Maybe this one's a little more sticky. Some of them you get it kind of stuck in there, and then you need to go and do the extra step of twisting. Do that again, put it in, turn your screwdriver, and it will start to come apart, and then you'll just finish snapping it open with your fingers. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come and work on the circuit board. Sometimes it'll fall right out, like you saw on this device. Other times what you'll have to do is just gently lift out the board by pulling up on the battery itself, and then you can pull this right out. That's going to make it easier for us. I'm just going to set these to the side for now. Once you have your board out, you can either slide the battery out or you can push on the bottom first just to make it a little bit easier. Pop your battery out of there, dispose of your old battery, and make sure, we'll go ahead and grab your new battery and make sure it is a CR2032. And when you're putting it in, you want the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text to be facing up. So you can just slide this into the metal part there, push it all the way down. And now all you need to do is put this back together. So grab the front of your device that has the rubber inside, excuse me, and then just drop the circuit board in there with the battery facing up. You can just push down on the battery to secure it in there. And now from here, you can just grab the back of your device and drop it on there, line it up, and squeeze the whole thing back together. And with that, you are all set. I'll just go ahead and do the same thing over here. Squeeze it back together, and you can see how quick and easy that was. I hope that helped you out. I hope it was simple enough. And if you liked that video, you can always let me know down in the comment section. We love to hear that we are helping you guys out. Or you can just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information, excuse me, you can also get that information directly over at our website, which is FobBattery.com.